All right, moving on to this electric part. Now, again, you can see I've got a PAS position there because it clearly is a stereo track that's been provided. Let me just turn off all these effects and I'll turn those guys back on where they should be. I'll turn everything off. This is the raw electric guitar sound and we're just checking how stereo it is. So if you're wearing headphones or you've got good monitoring, you can hear that's definitely a stereo recording. Let's use our PAS position plugin and just see how stereo it is. And we can see there it has got quite a spread and it's moving around. So in this case, I've decided I will definitely use that in its full stereo-ness, so to speak. We'll put this guy hard left, we'll put the other one hard right, and we'll use this one in its stereo configuration. So the first thing I've added to that is a CLA MixHub. And that is doing, again, not a huge amount, but just driving it a little bit of compression, tiny bit of top end EQ, sucked out some low mids there just to give it a bit more room. Bypass. So it just makes it jump out a little bit more. I think I'm adding a tiny bit of gain here from this mic pre-input here, so it's a little bit louder when I compare, but it was a little bit kind of muddy and dull. I mean, not a great deal, but just a little bit muddy and dull. And now it's cleaned up downstairs there and a tiny bit brighter there. Just making it jump out a little bit.